Hi, today we're making peanut butter and honey granola balls. And this recipe I found at the National Honey Board website, and I tried it and they're very good. They make great snacks. Okay, so for our recipe today, we're gonna need peanut butter. This one I like because if you see in the ingredients, there's only dry roasted peanuts and a bit of salt, and that makes a good peanut butter, very healthy. And we're using some granola, and we're also using peanut butter powder, a protein powder. So let's get started. Half a cup of granola that I've put through my food processor to make it a fine ground. And we're gonna add 1 tablespoon of our peanut butter protein powder and 2 tablespoons of honey. And we mix that all up. And we need a pinch of salt as well. So I'll just throw that in and we'll mix it again. Okay, and now we're gonna make our balls. And I'm using a 1 tablespoon scoop. And we should get about 8 to 10 balls out of this. Okay, so we're just rolling these in the ground peanuts. Just roll it around. And we're gonna roll the rest of them in our cocoa powder. Now we pop these into the fridge, and in about 30 minutes they'll be ready to eat. Well, those are cooling. I wanted to show you some of my other great snacks that are also nutrient dense. Like you could have 3 cups of popcorn, or you could have some apples with peanut butter. That's a great nutrient-dense snack. And my other favorite is just 1/4 cup of nuts, which I love to eat in the morning or afternoon in between meals when I need something to pick me up, but I don't want to overdo it or eat something that's not going to carry me through to my lunch hour. Like if I had a chocolate bar, or say a few chips, they'd be delicious, sure, but they wouldn't carry me to my next meal. And that's what you're looking for in a snack. Something that's gonna carry you till your next meal that's less than 200 calories. So our peanut butter, granola, and honey balls are done. They've been in the refrigerator for 30 minutes. So let's try one. Very nice. So, I'm gonna have to chew this up. They're good though. Peanut buttery. Anyways, what I like to do with these is pack them for my snack, or you can put them out for your kids when they come home from school. They'll love these. Or for a snack for you during the day. Enjoy!